Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Open Google Opinion Rewards and make sure you're signed into the same Google account that historically received surveys. Once done, update the app if available, then immediately enable precise location and Google location history so survey triggers can register. Make sure battery optimization is disabled for the app so background polling runs. These steps make your device discoverable to reward prompts and prevent common blocking reasons. Next, you handle the more complex middle steps. Review Android or iOS permission screens and grant location, network, and microphone permissions when applicable, because some prompts use context signals. Then, disable background restrictions and set the app to ignore Do Not Disturb so notifications arrive. If notifications still fail, clear the app cache, force stop, and restart your device. This refreshes tokens and can re-establish survey availability. These fixes target permission bottlenecks and notification delivery issues. Finally, complete the process by testing and monitoring outcomes. Deliberately create eligible activity, visit stores, use public transit, or travel short distances with location history active. Then watch for survey notifications over the next 48 to 72 hours. If nothing appears, check Google account activity and notification logs to confirm events were recorded. If still no surveys, reinstall the app and sign back in, or try a different Google account. Troubleshooting tip: if surveys stop, re-enable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.